no, the screen is black. It doesn't work. Nothing. No music, no messages. Still no power.
Good morning, Mom. Why do you look so stressed?
Good morning. My phone is broken. Look, the screen is black. It won't turn on.
Oh, that's sad. Did you charge it?
Yes, I tried. No light, no sound, nothing.
Maybe the battery is broken.
Without my phone, I feel lost. I can't play music. I can't check messages. I can't even see the time.
Don't panic, Mom. Let's take it to the repair shop.
The repair shop? Where?
On Green Street near the cafe. We can walk there.
Okay, I have no choice. Let's go. Last night, I received a strange message.
A strange message.
From who? I don't know. The number was unknown.
What did it say?
It said, "Tomorrow your phone will go silent. Don't ignore this."
What? That's creepy.
I thought it was a joke. But this morning, the phone is dead.
Maybe it's just a coincidence.
Maybe. Or maybe someone hacked it.
Mom, don't scare me.
I didn't tell you everything.
What else? Huh?
The message disappeared after I read it.
Disappeared? Like deleted?
Not deleted. It just vanished. No number, no message, nothing. Okay, that's strange. We're going to the repair shop. Right now. Yes. Before my phone decides to send another warning. Here it is.
Good morning. How can I help you?
My phone died, but I think it's more than just a battery problem.
Oh, what happened?
I received a strange message. It said, "Tomorrow your phone will go silent." And now it won't turn on. Oh, thank goodness. I thought it was completely dead.
It seems like the battery was deeply drained. It just needed a proper connection.
Let me check. Oh, thank goodness. I thought it was completely dead.
It seems like the battery was deeply drained. It just needed a proper connection.
How much do I need to pay?
It's just a small service charge.
Of course. Here you go. Let's go to the grocery store.
If you want to learn more English conversations like this, please like, share, and subscribe.